Morning everyone, how are you doing today? It's a nice cold frosty morning this morning, I should say. It's a bit foggy out there and it's cold at 5 o'clock in the morning. Just going to head up to Gildan today. I thought I'd squeeze another one in because I've got a busy weekend, so I can't do nothing then. Yeah, give it a go. Gildan, here we come. Right, we're at the spot. So we're going to give it a bit of a go. I'll try up this bit for about a couple of drops or something like an hour. If not, I'm just going to move over there by my mate Rich, where you're right next to the car. See what happens and hopefully get something, but who knows. No fish Dave again, eh? Let's see what happens. My favourite words. Thanks. I've got a little bite on at the moment, someone's playing with it. Beautiful morning. We know where we are. We know the area. I did this drone for about an hour. If there's anything good, I'll put it up. If not, I'm just going to go and do some bait casting down at the front, see if we can get anything there. But it's a beautiful morning. It was cold this morning and misty, but it's actually turned out pretty good. It's a bit of a drive here. Well, I'd say a bit of a drive. It's about 45 minutes from where I live. Come on, let's get some. No weed or anything around, which is perfect. Trouble is, when you're so far up off the height, off the beach, you can't get your bloody other rod and have a little bait cast. So I'm stuck up here on the rocks. I see, I might go where my mate Richard is. I'll see where the other guy's putting his drone first, because I don't want to. I hate being close together. It's not good, mate, when you want to come fishing. You and your mate or on your own, have a bit of space. I hate it when you go to a beach and everyone's crowded on you. It's a pain in the arse. No, still beats being at work. I think I might have to get the beach rod out and just have a cast and a break. Well, I actually got one. Small, but hey, I broke the curse. Oh well, it's a fish, isn't it? Oh. Big tiger. Oh well, there you go. There you go. Broke the curse. Back it goes. Oh, right down. Curses, David, has been broken. Come on. There we go. Manually bring it in. Oh, it's a bloody ray. Bloody ray. It's not what we wanted, Rich. It's not what we wanted.
No.
Oh well.
Right with that one?
Yeah, all good, mate. Oh well. Got some up. Get this back in there. Can't beat it. Better than being at work. There's Richard having a go. He actually lost signal last time he took it out, so he's a bit worried. See what happens with this one. Hopefully he gets it back. And some nibbles. Nibbles is not what we want. A little bite is there. Oh. I've got a feeling it's a ray. I've got a feeling it's a ray. It could be gone. Yeah, another bloody ray. Come on. Oh, looks like I lost all my rest of the rig. Come on. Watch out for that spike. Oh, he's took it all. Yeah. Oh, I think that's nearly it for today. Had a wrasse and a couple of rays. Not what we want, but it is a fish. Never mind. A few more casts. What an absolute beautiful day though. This is up Moore River way. I think I'll have to do some off-road tracks next time, I think. Let's get out of the way. Being here, a lot of people are coming up, chatting to you, asking you lots of questions about drone fishing, having a moaning about drone fishing. That's okay. I'd rather be here than there. Not much happening now. Time to go back. That's a little fish, but that's about it. Right guys, that's the end of today. So not much happening really today. We had the wrasse and 2 rays. Didn't get no pinkies or anything like that, which we're aiming for. A little bit of a drive up here, North Perth. I have caught pinkies here before, hoping today, but not today. But that's alright. You know, it's been a great day out. Got a day off from work. Just got to head back now and wait until the next time. I'm just going to eat me a nice crackling and nice coffee, and then head back home. Well, anyway, thanks. Like and subscribe. We've got more videos coming up over the next few months, so I've got a few things happening. So thanks ever so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Take care.